So welding is basically taking two things and fusing them into one. Okay.
Wait, should we do it? Gmod's watching this.
No. I just want. Oh my god. Okay. So more on that. All right. So no, wait, let me unstatue the. Wait, no. Okay, let me unstatue him. God, this is so hard to record without like only one hand to me. Just wait, what? He's oh. All right. Let me just let me unfreeze him. Oh, there we go. So when you have something welded, the beautiful the beautiful thing about welding is whenever something is welded to something else, if you move whatever's attached to that part of the other person's body will move as well.